A magnitude 5.6 earthquake struck a remote part of northwestern Nepal on November 3, 2023, killing at least 129 people and injuring more than 140 others. The quake hit about 42 kilometers from Jumla, Nepal, in Karnali province, and was felt as far away as India's capital, New Delhi. The earthquake caused widespread damage in the affected areas, with many buildings collapsing. Footage from the scene showed multiple houses reduced to smashed piles of bricks and timber. Rescue workers are still searching for survivors, but the death toll is expected to rise as more bodies are recovered. The Nepalese government has declared a state of emergency in the affected areas and has appealed for international aid. This is the deadliest earthquake in Nepal since the 2015 Gorkha earthquake, which killed nearly 9,000 people. Nepal is located in a seismically active region, and earthquakes are common in the country. How to help? If you would like to help the victims of the earthquake in Nepal, you can donate to one of the following organizations: Nepal Red Cross Society, UNICEF Nepal, Oxfam Nepal, Save the Children Nepal, World Vision Nepal. Thank you for your generosity.